In this class, we will talk about how to create my first program, just printing hello world and check it out. All features of our program are working fine or not. So that is why I'm going on source file, and here you can see I have untitled3 file. Okay, that is why I'm just going to save it with my proper name in my first class. That is why I click on file and click on save as. In our course classwork file, I just saved it with c.hello. This file is already exists, that is why I just replaced it. Maybe in your case this file will not uh, already exist, that is why I just click on yes and everything going to be fine, and my file hello.c is available in our classwork file hello c. Okay, so I'm going back and I just type void main. It is code for our first program, and I just want to print file into the double quotation we have print hello world. Okay, now let me just explain this coding. This is our function, and what our function we will talk it about in our advanced level classes. Now this is on basic level and it is our first program. Just keep in mind that this is void main, it is a function, and void it is a keyword. Okay, keep this thing in your mind. And how to identify the function? We just identify function with open and close parenthesis. Okay, that is why our print if it is also another function in between the body of main function. And how do we identify printf into the body of main function? With middle brackets and braces, and these braces are defining the body of main function. Okay, and this is printf function which is predefined and especially designed for displaying message over the output screen. Okay, so now, and the procedure of this built-in and predefined message, it is just uh, we just give a name as a printf, print file, f stand for file, and both parentheses in between enclosed double quotation commas, and we typed a string. What is a string? Collection of characters we called string. Just characters we are going to display on our screen, and I terminate this statement one line considered as a statement, and I terminated with semicolon. It means that this statement has been uh, defined and terminated, ended correctly. Okay, so if I create another line and type another statement, and we will also make sure that we have terminated this statement with semicolon or not. Okay, and we also use comment for guideline or programmer, or for suppose do not think that we just create one line and our program is created. When we have a logical task, that is why we will create thousands of codes in between the body of main functions. So keep one thing in your mind. So comments are just guideline for a programmer. As I use comment here, just defining printf and printf it is a predefined or built-in function, and one line considered as a statement, and that is why I just say that a statement closed with semicolon. Okay, and this commented line will not uh, mentioned by our program or compiler. And what is compiler? Compiler basically it is a translator, and what it is work, compiler basically convert human readable language into machine language. And what is machine language? Machine language is understandable by processor. So compiler it is third party agent um, which create communication in between human and machine. For suppose I this code is readable for human, and we can easily understand it is main function void keyword, and we are going to printing a message of hello world. This is human readable source code. And what compiler do? Compiler when we saved it and we compile this source code, basically compiler convert it human readable language into machine language. What is machine language? Machine language is in the form of 0 1 1 0 0 0 0, just like this. It is binary coded. So in binary coded only understand by processor of machine. Alright, compiler is third party agent. Now I'm going to compile this source code, just clicking on it. When I click on compile, I got a error. And why do I got error? I will also explain it. I just clicked it and I got an error in function main. You can see that incompatible implicit declaration of built-in function printf. You know, uh, I have already said that this is built-in function, and compiler also give us and guide us where you got error and what error it is. Just like on line number 5 I got error. Okay, so we have library for these kind of built-in functions, that is I'm just going to include it. Okay, with hash sign I just include a library where printf built-in function definition has are already defined. Okay, so what is the name of standard library file name? It is h stand for header file, and std stand for standard, and I stand for input, o stand for output. And this is library file where contain all definition of this printf. I included it, and it will automatically identified by compiler and what is the definition of printf. Now I'm going to save it. You can see here star symbol. When I click Ctrl S, star symbol has gone, and when I click on compiler, invalid processing directive include